Established in 1897, Irvine Regional is Orange County's oldest park, a historic landmark and the very first regional park in the state of California.
Hi guys, how are you? Hi Abby, say hi Abby.
Hi.
We are actually now in Orange County area. We are in Irvine Regional Park. And behind us you can see it's called OC Zoo. So we'll check it out. This is the first time we've been to this place, so we're so excited and find out what we can explore. So come and join us. Okay guys, now we are inside the zoo. So let's go and explore it together. This is gonna be exciting.
The 8-acre Orange County Zoo is home to a collection of rescued animals, including a pair of mountain lion siblings, black bears, a bald eagle, and more. There's also a barnyard petting zoo, which you guys will see later in this video, where kids and adults can spend time with the goats, sheep, chickens, and pigs.
Check this one out. It's a hawk. Abby, say hi to the hawk. Hi hawk. Abby, what do you see? What is it? It's a snake? How's the snake sound? There's more. Right there on the bottom. There it is.
For $2, this zoo is a total steal. There's a lot to see and kids will enjoy petting the animals, which comes with your admission. We just left the zoo and we're now heading over to bike and paddleboat rentals. If a day on the lake is more of your style, rent a paddle boat. But if you like to bike around the park, just like us, Wheel Fun Rentals is on site. We decided to spend our time exploring the park, so we rented the double serays for 1 hour, which cost us $30.
Hi, Abby, say hi.
Hi!
Right there, on the camera. Wave.
After biking around the park, we got hungry, so we went and checked out the Irvine Railroad snack bar. They offer a full menu with a variety of hot and cold food selection. The food is decent, but if you can pack your own food, it is a better option. As first-timers visiting this park, this is a very nice place to get out of the city and relax in Irvine. We recommend this place especially to people with young children. There's so much to do and easy way to explore and have some relatively cheap fun with kids and family.
Hi guys, we're having a blast here in Irvine Regional Park. We're about to go take a ride on the train. So that's gonna be exciting.
Yes.
Right, baby?
Yes. We're excited.
Check this out. Okay guys, we are now in the train. We're gonna be taking the train ride.
Alright, good afternoon.
Hear that,
Take your seats
right?
quickly. I'd like to welcome you all aboard the Irvine Park Railroad. My name is Kristen. I'll be your conductor. It's great coming up front. We're going to have Engineer Johnson, I do believe. And before we depart the station, I'd like to
Hi,
give you
Bobby.
all some brief safety tips.
Hi,
That is that
Bobby.
you want to be sure and remain
Irvine Park Railroad is a premier family destination. The 1/3 scale train takes both children and adults on a breathtaking ride through historic Irvine Regional Park. The ticket cost of this ride is $7 per person.
With the bigger black dot on his chest. So let's see, it's on the left. And he's called the gander. And the female is called the goose. That bird bath now, there's 104 years old. It was designed by a prominent landscape architect. Her name is Florence Yoch, Y-O-C-H. She went on to work in Hollywood on the film Gone with the Wind. Train is 3 times this size. And this train is new for us. We just had it about 6 weeks. It came to us from the great state of Kansas. Vince, our engineer, is also from the great state of Kansas. He will love it, I think, by the way.
Awesome. Thank you, friend. Keep jumping. It's all yours for 10 minutes. Go, 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 Abby. Jump. 1, 2, 3. Go. 1, 2, 3.